Alright folks, welcome back to my channel. Alright, I'm in the kitchen this morning. I'm gonna make some breakfast. What I got here is some Jamaican sweet potato. Some Jamaican sweet potato. This was a whole one. I already got it, I baked it already and I cut it up. Alright, so I make that with some callalou. Callalou is a spinach cousin. Okay. So I'm just gonna do that real simple and easy. Alright, so I have this stove on already. Somebody was asking me about this dish, so I said, I'm gonna do it this morning. Alright, so I pour some oil in here in both pots. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna wait till the oil to get hot. In the meantime, I got over here some chopped tomatoes, some green peppers, some red peppers, hot pepper, onions, and some chopped garlic. Alright, so as soon as the oil starts, I'm going to put that in there. Okay, then I'm going to fry that potato up. Alright, sweet potato, when I was growing up in some parts of Jamaica, it was a stereotype dish, like, oh, you eat that. But now, trust me, can't get enough of it. Alright, this is what it was like before it's cooked. Alright, yeah, this is the Jamaican sweet potato. It's different from the American and the Korean. Alright, this is different. So my oil is getting hot. This one over here is getting hot also. Let me grab a fork over here. 2 forks. Alright, so I got some callalou that's already cooked. As I said, callalou is a cousin of spinach. Alright, so in the meantime, I'm gonna drop these over here so these could fry up. Have your fire too hot. Alright, this one started to get hot. Folks, I use my hands to hold the pots and all that stuff. That's nothing to me. I've been doing that since I was a baby. Alright, yeah. So this is just, there's no meat. Alright, so later on I add some black pepper and some salt to this. Alright, but if you want to add meat, yeah, you can, but I'm not adding any meat. Alright, this is just a simple, easy breakfast stuff. Alright, yeah, over here, put that over here. So let's see if this oil is starting to get hot. Yeah, this oil is starting to get hot. I'm just going to put these in here now. Give them a nice brown crisp, you know what I mean? So this, yeah, my daughter loved this, so I got to share with her. She liked this. Yeah. So just take this done nice and easy. You understand? Give it some time to go and simmer down, okay? In about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the callalou in, alright? I guess it's the finished product, okay? Yeah. So in the meantime, man, I got some more videos coming out about Chef Little Spice. Aha! You're probably wondering who's Chef Little Spice. You're going to find out soon, alright? Later on, I'm going to give you some videos of me, making some drinks, alright? Some special punch, stuff like that. Yeah, man. So, people been calling me and texting me and asking me for more videos. Folks, I'm not going to be doing a lot of cooking videos. I'm going to be doing other stuff. I like to do the outdoor stuff and all that. But right now, because of what's going on, I gotta be in the house, you know what I mean? I've been doing a lot of schoolwork too, so don't expect a lot of videos. You know what I mean? Kitchen stuff, no. I'll be outdoors a lot, I love that kind of stuff. The outdoor stuff, playing games, running, doing that kind of stuff, yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff I do. So, I'm turning over a little bit. So, yeah. So this is cooking. So this is like almost good, almost halfway soft, and I drop my callalou in. And I mixed everything up. Keep going. I mix everything up. Mix it up. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper, okay? So I've got my black pepper here. In America, we call it just pepper. I like a lot of pepper. And the salt now is, I don't like too much salt. Open up a little bit, put like a half a teaspoon of salt. That's good. All right, let me turn this real quick. You see it start to fry nice and crisp. Brown. Yeah. You know, this is almost good. You know, this is almost pre-cooked already. It's almost done, you know. So this is just a simple morning Jamaican breakfast. Callalou, Jamaican sweet potato. Yeah, anytime I forgot what it is. All right. Yeah. So right over here, this is actually ready. Let me take out one of this. It's actually ready to be served. We have 6 yet. Alrighty. Yep. Grab a little plate real quick. Yeah, just look at this little breakfast dish, folks. Can't beat this, you know what I mean? Some of that. And a little bit of this. See, it's easy, folks. Nice little breakfast thing. And I'm going to make me some tea with milk, all right? So until then, from my kitchen to yours, my Jamaican life. See you guys later.